Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We are going to pick today an American 1100 series. It's 1105. This was very kindly sent to me by Frosty901. Great lad, awesome picker. Please check out his channel. I will leave his name and that in the description at the bottom. Also, it's package day again today. I'll show you what I've got in a minute too, and we'll also see if we can get into this. There's no key with this lock. But I'm going to solve that problem, seeing as Bobby Key sent me a couple of blanks, so shall have some fun with that. Before we start though, if you're interested in lock picking and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, and if you like what you see on my channel and you're interested, hit that subscribe button down there and that bell icon, as I make 2 to 3 videos per week on all sorts. It's all lock related, from reviews to picking to make locks to tutorials, all sorts of things. But let's see if we can get into this 1100 series. Now, I really do like me American locks. I got my very first sent one by Randy Perkins, another great picker, who sent me my very first one, and after that I absolutely just love them. I think they're so nice, they're really good picks, and I just like them. Where are we? Just make sure we're in there properly. Right, I'm going to use a homemade tension wrench. This one is a window wiper insert that was just shaped and then cut on the end and plastic dipped. And I'm going to use a medium hook. Right, let's get this camera adjusted. Let's see what's... Okay. Oh, we're locked. There we go. Because I had it open before. Right. Now the thing is, got a little turn on the core then. Master locks, the American locks, they do come with the spools and serrations, very tiny ones. They do. I find that they look cool, and they are a very nice pick. Oh, and there we go. We're open. That's the second time I picked it. The reason it was open, I picked it last night because Frosty said it needed they're a bit grubby inside and old, and they needed a good lubing, so that is what I did. Make sure it was all nicely freed up, but I've not actually been inside it or anything. There we go. Let's get this retaining screw out. This is definitely weathered. Right, 1 second, let's get some tissue. As with it giving a good oiling last night, it's needs a good cleaning up. Right, T.O. Let's just get everything out we need. So tweezers, a small follower. There we go. Will do. Let's bring this camera down a bit further and let's have a look. Now, certainly don't want to lock this back up again because I don't have the key. One second. Shut my door. All I can hear is the my TV. Oh, have we got it off? Yes, we've got this clip off in one piece. Fantastic. Right, let me unblock it. Lock it that way. Right. Oh, just give me 1 second. Right, yo. Right. There we go, we're through. This is a 5-pin. I know you can make them into a 6-pin if the key has that tiny little bit extra on the end. You can balance one on. So we've got standard. Ooh, ooh. We've got we've got a wafer in here as well, and one second, do apologize. Ah, there we go. Just looking for my tweezers. Oh, I've got 2 serrated key pins. Oh, cool. Right, let me get the tweezers. We've got a serrated driver. Got another serrated driver, and we've got a wafer. And we've got another serrated driver, and we've got another wafer, and we've got just a serrated driver, no wafer then, and we've got another wafer and another serrated driver. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Hate putting wafers back in, especially when they're on the top. Copper spring, copper spring, copper spring, and copper spring. They're all the same size. Let's show you what we have got. So as you can see, we have got standard driver. We've got a driver that's been serrated, another standard driver, a very small driver and a wafer, another serrated driver. Then we've got a serrated, no spills in this one. We've got a serrated, sorry, they're all key pins, serrated key pins. This driver's serrated. We've got another serrated driver and a wafer, another serrated driver and a wafer, another serrated driver and another serrated driver with a wafer, which means that could have been picked 2 different ways. But yeah, that was a fun nice pick that I enjoyed that. Like I say, I do like the American locks. They are a really good lock to pick, and this was really good feedback. Right, let me just move my tools out of the way, and we can see what we got in this package. So this is the package that I got. This came off absolute great lad, another northerner like me, Mr. Apache Locksport. Absolute awesome guy. Please check out his channel. I think most of you know Apache Locksport is, but if you don't, please check out his channel. I will leave his name in the description and everything in the bottom. Awesome guy. Excuse me. He makes some. He's a really good picker. He's in at the moment. He's well into his really difficult locks and also lever locks. Absolute awesome guy. But yes, let's see what he sent us. Also, John, mate, yeah, that Medico, no rush to send it, mate. Just send it back when you've done it. But if it takes you a couple of weeks, you know, please don't rush to send it back. Just send it back when you've done, mate. What have we got here? Oh, Trekmaster. Something now. Nice bitting, nice bitting. Very cool. I've got used to picking Trekmaster locks. He's another awesome picker, and he makes some brilliant challenge locks. What have we got hiding in here? Oh, it's the Medicos. The Medico 72S. Yeah, fantastic. John, tell him he's got I do like Medicos. They're a very tricky lock to pick, but once you got an idea of how they work, it obviously makes it a lot easier to pick them. Oh, we've got another. Oh, a Schleg. Oh, a Bill Bacardi. Sweet. Oh, look at that. So that is definitely typical Bill Bacardi bitted. And I'll tell you this because I've got a kick cylinder bit in here. And look at that. Oh, well, look at that. That is cool because that bitting. Oh, if you can you see that? Those two keys, even though completely separate locks, have exactly the same bitting. I have never had a lock where two keys have exactly the same bitting, but the two different type of keys. Because obviously, this is a kick cylinder, will not fit in here. Obviously, this is a Schleg, and this fits in sweet as a nut. Oh, fantastic, John. Thank you very much for sending that. And that bitting. Wow, I can't believe that. That is so funny. That bitting is exactly the same as that one. Got to show that again because that's just amazed me. That is just cool. You can see it's exactly the same. Oh, well, thank you very much. And what else have we got here? Last but least, it looks like a Geba, a G-E-B-A. No key. I don't know if this is a challenge lock or a start lock. Knowing Apache, probably not. But oh, thank you very much, John, mate. Absolutely appreciate that. Very nice Medico. And we've got a Trickmaster, and like I say, another Bill Bacardi Bill Bacardi lock, which is awesome. Oh, thank you very much. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Oh, and a big thanks to John, Apache Locksport, and Frosty 901 for sending them locks. And please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.